Hello everyone, I am choreographer Dr. Srijit from Kerala. It's a great pleasure to be a part of 22nd Kalagoda Art Festival Unlock, a festival dedicated to art and culture. Today I am going to present you Natya Kalari, which is a creative approach, as the name says, is a blend of Natya and Kalaripayattu. It shows the potency of Kalaripayattu in connection with other styles, creating a beautiful synergy. Come on, let's start the session. Before going to the technical studies, let me give you a brief idea about Kalaripayattu. Kalaripayattu is the oldest martial arts of India, considered to be the mother of all martial arts. Kalaripayattu has two styles, Vadakkan style and Tekkan style. Vadakkan means the northern part of Kerala and Tekkan means the southern part. And the Vadakkan style is based on elegance and flexible movements introduced by the Parashurama. And the Tekkan style is more into the bare hand fights and pressure point strikes introduced by Agastya Muni. The movements of Kalaripayattu is evolved from animal moves. It's a combination of Chuvadu and Vadu. Chuvadu means steps like Vata Chuvadu, Nika Chuvadu, Kon Chuvadu, Ottakal Chuvadu, etc. And Vadivu means postures. It's evolved from 8 animal posture like elephant, lion, wild boar, cat, horse, etc. Let's do some basic movement. Here we are doing 3 movements. The first one, Tachuvalayal. Tachuvalayal is the upper body circling. Second one, Amarcha. Amarcha means a stretch on your legs. Third one, Tachuvalayal Amarcha. Let's do Tachuvalayal first. Edadu thottu Tachuvalanje. Valadu thottu Tachuvalanje. So first you need to start from your left leg with both hands connecting to your foot. You do the step again. From there, do a clockwise circling of your body and bring it in the right side and vice versa. Here the upper body circling a full circle. Okay, that is a Tachuvalayal. So second one is Amarcha. Amarcha is a stretch. Edathil amarnu. So when you stretch on your leg, you need to sit fully facing the side. The spine should be straight, facing that way, and this leg is going upward, pointing upward. Nivarna. Valathil amarnu. Nivarna. The third one is Tachuvalanja Amarcha. Edathe thottu Tachuvalanje, Valathil amarnu. Nivarna. Valathe thottu Tachuvalanje, Edathil amarnu. Nivarna. So these are the basic movements. First one is Tachuvalayal, second one is Amarcha, third one Tachuvalanja Amarcha. Ashtavadivu. The first one is Gajavadivu. Varahavadivu. Simhavadivu. Ashwavadivu. Kukkudavadivu. Matchavadivu. Marjaravadivu. Sarpavadivu. Next we are moving to Vanakkam. Vanakkam means salutation. There are 4 types of Vanakkam. Ekadikku Vanakkam, Irattadikku Vanakkam, Chathurdikku Vanakkam and Ashtadikku Vanakkam. Ekadikku means one direction, Irattadik 2 direction, Chathurdik 4 direction and Ashtadik 8 direction. Here we are going to learn Kalari Vanakkam. The Kalari Vanakkam is one we did when we enter into the Kalari first. Okay, let's do that. Kalari Vanakkam. இடது கை வலது மாரடக்கி வலது கை பின்னில் கட்டி வலந்திரிஞ்சு கரை தொட்டு வந்துச்சு கைக்கு நோக்கி தொழுது. So this is called as Kalari Vanakkam. This is the basic Kalari Vanakkam. So here the first step is Samabada Choda, that is feet together position. From here step forward with your left leg in a stretched position. So stretch fully, so I will show from the side. Stretch fully, the leg should be in a straight position and left hand just wrap your right chest and the right hand bring it behind your body. Okay? So this is the first part. That means edathu ninnu. So from the feet together positions, take one step with your left leg, covering your right chest with your left hand and wrap your right hand behind your body. Then turn around through your right side. Valan thirinju keri tottu vandichu. Just keep your left hand over here in the chest. Right hand just put it down onto the floor and to the forehead. Tottu vandichu. After that just kaikki noki. Kaikki noki means just look at your hand. So when you do the kaikki noki, just the right hand travel through your left chest and stretch forward. By the time just left hand bring it here in the center. So after tottu kaikki noki. So you need to turn your body a little bit and look at the god in front of you. That is kaikki noki tozhudu. So when you do tozhudu, so your palm should be like in a cup shape, like elephant trunk. So it goes through the middle axillary line and it reaches here the center of sternum, and turn your arm in the center and point your palm towards the center. So I'll do this again. The first one from Samabada Choda. இடது கை வலது மாரடக்கி வலது கை பின்னில் கட்டி வலந்திரிஞ்சு கரை தொட்டு வந்துச்சு கைக்கு நோக்கி தொழுது. That is Kalari Vanakkam. Next I am going to talk about different learning stages in Kalaripayattu. The first one is May Tari. May means body, Tari means exercise. So body conditioning exercise. It will help to get the flexibility, strength, stamina, balance, etc. It will take almost 2 to 3 years to complete the body condition exercises. So next is Koltari. Koltari means exercise using wooden weapons like Kuruvadi, Kattugari, Atta, etc. The next stage is Angatari. Angatari means the training in metallic weapons like sword and shield, urumi, dagger, etc. And the last stage is Varunkai Tari. That means bare-handed fight and pressure points. Next, I am going to show you how to blend these fighting techniques like Kayattam, Erakam, Tada, Vettu, Chavuttu, Ozhinjamari, Meyvazhakkangal, etc. into the music. Come on, let's learn that. So, we learn a lot of things like Vadivu, Chuvadu, Vanakkam, Kalugal, etc. Now, I'm going to teach you how to blend these elements of Kalarippayattu into the dance in a music. Okay, let's start. So, right from the center, you just take a step with your right leg and bend your knees a little bit and step back with the same leg and sit in Anga Chuvadu. So, when you sit in Anga Chuvadu, the right leg facing sideways and the left leg facing to the center. Okay. So, the Vaithari will be Valadu Keri Amarna, Valadu Vangi Irangi, Anga Chuvadil Amarna. So, the posture will be Varaha Vadivu. So, when you go forward, when you step forward, the posture, the hand movement will be the push with your right hand. You just push your hand forward and left hand hold in the center. It's like Ottakai Thodu. Right from here, Valadu Vangi Irangi, Varaha Vadivil Amarna. So, right from here, you take 2 steps backward, right, left. Valadu Vangi Irangi, Edadu Vangi Irangi. Edadum Valadum Vangi Irangi. Idadu Valadu Irangi. So, take 2 steps backward, first with left and second with right, and the hand, both hands in a locked position, rotate in anti-clockwise direction, holding your elbow upward direction and pull your hand over here. So, from this lock, you take, this is a lock. So, your right elbow goes up and it goes behind your head and lock it here. Okay. So, the elbow facing upward and you just pull your hand downward. Okay, let us do it together. Right from Samabada Chuvadu, take a step forward and step back and Anga Chuvadu like Varaha Vadivu, then left, right, then hit with your left leg over your right thighs and stamp forward. So, and on. Let us do it again. So, 1, 2, so 1 and tap down. Let us do it again, right from here, 1, 2, 1 and tap down. I will repeat. So, right from the center, just take a step forward, pushing your right hand to the center of the opponent, push forward, you just step back. This is like Anga Chuvadu. This is the proprietary position. Then you take 2 steps backward and down. Right from here, just go down and block the opponent with the left hand facing straight to your chest. Then right hand you just raise up. This is called as Vettukai. Hold your palm closer, hold your fingers very closer like Vettukai. So, the same position here and raise your hand and step with your right, take 2 strikes, 1, 2, cut, cut and block, turn and block over here in the left corner, left back corner, hold. So, once again, right from the center, you take a step forward, then step back, take 2 steps backward, hit down, then you go down and block, Vettukai, hit hand. Then you take a circle with your right leg, V the വീതി ചുരുക്കി, then feet together, just വലത് കൈ നെറ്റിക്ക് വെച്ച് ഇടത് കൈക്ക് നോക്കി. Like right from here through your sternum, you just, through the middle axis line, you bring your palm can hold it like this in a cup shape position. It denotes elephant trunk. It goes through the center, and the right hand over the forehead, left hand straight to your body. So വലത് കൈ നെറ്റിക്ക് വെച്ച് ഇടത് കൈക്ക് നോക്കി. So let's do it together. Step forward, step back, 2 step backward, hit down. So you go down and block. Hold the vertical, down the sword. So hit, block, and so that is the first part of the choreography. So let's do it together with the music. So the first part is finished. Now let's do the second part. So right from here, വലത് കുട്ടി കയറി. Means just join your right leg towards your left, bend your knees a little bit, and step forward, and take a step and jump in air and turn back. It's called as ചാടിക്കെട്ടി തിരിഞ്ഞ്. So your both hands and the legs should be in a curved position. So when you take a jump, okay, let's do the jump. So right from here, you join your legs together, and your arms grows over here. So this is called as Kai Maradaki. So this is an important position. We are protecting ourselves with the hands. So left hand is in front of right, and the palm goes outward behind your ear. Okay. So right from here, take a step. So ചാടിക്കെട്ടി തിരിഞ്ഞ്, and you can sit on Ashwavadiva. Ashwavadiva is like this. I will show from this side. ചാടിക്കെട്ടി തിരിഞ്ഞ് അശ്വവടിവിൽ അമർന്ന്. So that is the second step. So വലത് കയറി ചാടിക്കെട്ടി തിരിഞ്ഞ് അശ്വവടിവിൽ അമർന്ന്. I show again, right from the last position, you take a step, stretch your leg. So this position is very important to show you. So when you stretch fully, the leg should be flat footed. You're not supposed to lift your leg. So this is important, because so when you lift your foot, the weight completely goes to the knees. So this is very dangerous. So make your knees straight. So this is the posture. Ashwavadiva. So right from here, ചാടിക്കെട്ടി തിരിഞ്ഞ് അശ്വവടിവിൽ അമർന്ന്. After that, you stretch backward, sitting on your left leg, and take a turn to the center and sit in Angachuvadu. So I will do from this direction. So right from ചാടിക്കെട്ടി തിരിഞ്ഞ്, take a step and jump and sit in Ashwavadiva. Right from here, step back and turn. Okay. So right from Kai Maradaki, you take 2 steps forward, like doing തെരുത്ത് കയറി തെരുത്ത് കയറി വരാഹ വടിവിലമർന്ന്. This തെരുത്ത് കയറി, so that is വരാഹ വടിവ്. So right from here, തെരുത്ത് കയറി വരാഹ വടിവിലമർന്ന്, തെരുത്ത് കയറി വരാഹ വടിവിലമർന്ന്. So let's do right from the beginning of the second part. From here, so when you do Terithu, the right hand goes behind your body and left hand goes up, and you just turn back and it goes down and reaches here. So once again, the left hand goes up, you stretch your body backward, turn your body, entire body, and sit, and you just come up. The left elbow is facing, covering your face. So after that, after the Terithu, you take 2 steps backward, like imagine there is a small stick in your hand, you just hit with the opponent, hit again with the same opponent. Take 2 steps, ഓതിരം വെട്ടി, തിരിഞ്ഞു കയറി വെട്ടി. That is a വായ്ത്താരി. ഓതിരം വെട്ടി ഇറങ്ങി, ഓതിരം വെട്ടി ഇറങ്ങി, ഓതിരം തിരിച്ച് കയറി വെട്ടി. After that, take a turn. So I will show again. After ഓതിരം വെട്ടി, you take a turn and jump backward and sit fully on the ground and hit the floor and get up. I will demonstrate from the beginning. See, right from here, ഇത് ചാടിക്കെട്ടി തിരിഞ്ഞ് അശ്വവടിവിൽ അമർന്ന്, ഇടത്തേൽ അമർന്ന്, തിരിഞ്ഞ് കൈമാറടക്കി, തെരുത്ത് കയറി ഓതിരം വെട്ടി ഇറങ്ങി, തിരിഞ്ഞ് കയറി വെട്ടി, തിരിഞ്ഞ് ചാടി വലത്തിൽ അമർന്ന്, കൈനിലത്തടിച്ച് നിവർന്ന്. I will do the same thing again. So right from here, വലത് കൈ നെറ്റിക്കഴിച്ച് ഇടത് കൈക്ക് നോക്കി, വലത് കയറി ചാടിക്കെട്ടി തിരിഞ്ഞ്, ഇടത്തേൽ അമർന്ന്, തിരിഞ്ഞ് കൈമാറടക്കി, തെരുത്ത് കയറി ഓതിരം വെട്ടി, തിരിഞ്ഞ് കയറി വെട്ടി, തിരിഞ്ഞ് So let's do with the music. I hope everybody liked my session. Kalaripayattu is like an ocean, it's divine. We can't learn Kalaripayattu in one day, but if you keep practicing these things, we'll get a lot of benefits like body flexibility, strength, stamina. You can increase the reflex action, patience, and a lot of benefits. So thank you so much, Kalakoda Art Festival, for inviting me to this great event. Thank you so much.